Okay, so this is going to be a quick video showing everybody how to take the 4 plastic covers off of the PlayStation 5 Slim. So PlayStation 5 Slim would be a PS5 model with the model numbers. Let's see what we got here. CFE 2000. So model CFI 2000. I'm going to consider a Slim right now. So this is how to take the covers off of this model. So I'm going to try and do this in one take if I can, but we'll see how it goes. So first off, with the PlayStation lying flat actually, I'll do it from the disk drive side. So in this case, we'll do it like this. PS5 is laying flat. You want the disk slot to face away from you. So the glossy side, and then there's the matte side. So smaller side, a larger side. So start off with the smaller side. Essentially where this notch is, just up in the corner. You want to kind of brace your thumb on the disk drive slide, and then you want to lift up with the rest of your fingers, the rest of your hand. Just do an upwards pull. Noting where to put your finger, or at least to lift up from. So you want to lift directly upwards from that area. So I'm going to do that right now. There you go. Very, very easy. And then just lift straight up and out. There are no ribbon cables you have to worry about. It's just one main connector on the bottom left side of it, which connects to here. It also has a peg, which helps align. So you can't really mess this up. And it's pretty resilient. So don't really worry about that. But I guess that's a good thing. If you ever need to replace the disk drive, or something goes out on it, you can just slot in a new one, register it to the PlayStation, and that's it. Yup. So I'm going to move this to the side, and then we're going to do the back side. So again, with the front of the system facing away from you, you want to do a similar motion, but slightly different. So again, starting in the notch, it's going to be top right again for the glossy side, so just pull straight up. There you go. 2 clicks and it's out. Got the 2 clicks from these clips here. And then these are the alignment clips on the bottom. So I'm moving that again, moving that around. And then yeah, same thing with this guy. You want to start here. And the notch area top left. This time I'm going to pull up one. Major click pull up on this side, another click. And then there we go, one more. So again, with the matte colored sides, the larger plastic ones, there's going to be 3 distinct clicks from all the clips. Here, and yeah, that's it. It's very easy. And now we'll just do the reverse process. So the reverse process is going to be almost entirely reversed, actually. So first you want to align the bottom clips, or sorry, not clips. These are, I guess, more guidance pins with these holes on the system itself. So I'm just going to align those first. Make sure those are aligned. You should have no issue lifting this and raising it up. So now that they're aligned, I'm just going to firmly press down on all the areas where I had clicks previously. So 1. Oh, that one already clicked in. There you go. So that one's secure. And now with the glossy side, same thing. You want to get the alignment pins in first, or alignment tabs, I guess I should be calling them. Anyway, same thing. Those things align very well. And then you just want to put some pressure down in the areas where the clicks happened earlier. And that's it. One major click just in this notch area. So flipping the system around, we're going to reinstall the disk drive. Very similar theme here. So these guys have these, I guess, tabs, kind of like hooks. And they're going to hook into this area where you'll see these arrows. So there's one on the right, one on the left, and you kind of want to just guide those in. They're rubberized, so don't really worry about breaking anything. But anyway, once those slide in, it's pretty much super easy to get it in. That guidance pin will guide the connector in properly. So just make sure that's lined up, pushed down, and you won't really hear a click, but you shouldn't feel any movement. So that's properly seated. No need to worry about that. And then time to replace the disk drive cover. So same thing. You've got alignment tabs here. I'm going to align those with the back end of the system here. So let's do that. There we go. And then I want to apply pressure to all those areas that clicked previously. 1, 2, that was it. Okay, so all 3 are actually in. So there we go. And same thing with this guy. Alignment pins in the proper spot. Get that in there. There we go. And then apply your pressure. Oh, one is not seated. I'm going to redo that. That's the other thing, I guess that's good. It's pretty forgiving. And then there we go. All right, that's it. And then once they are properly seated, you should feel no real play in it. Yeah, that's just that. That's it really. Very, very easy, very straightforward. I would say it's probably even easier than the standard. Not standard, but the original PlayStation 5. So yeah, there we go. Hope this helped.